beautiful wife, mother of 5 beautiful children, a niece, an auntie, a cousin, and a friend to many. She was very passionate about this throughout her battle. And I would like to thank the Samoa Cancer Society for all you do for us, for all of our families and everyone that's involved. Mahalo Sherry, Leilani, Rocky and the team, mahalo. I also like to thank my sister Sina and her angels of mobilizers. And I thank each and every one for your support. And I'd like to thank the panel here. Yep, we'll see you next year. Mahalo, thank you.